Hey, in this video we're going to talk about 5 emergency essential items that are all under $20, so stick around. Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. In this video we're going to talk about 5 emergency essential items all under $20 that you can buy right now today off of Amazon.com. These are products that I have purchased for my own use. I use these in my get home bag, my bug out bag, my 72-hour kit. They're perfect for any situation like that. So let's just jump right into it. So first up is water. Water prep should be your #1 prep. You should have stored water at home, but you should also have the means to filter and clean water at home or on the go. I highly recommend the Sawyer Mini. It's what I use in all my bags, and I have extras here at home. According to Sawyer, it'll filter out everything from bacteria to viruses. You can drink from rivers, streams, mud puddles. You can even drink from pond scum because it's going to clean your water and purify it and make it safe for you to drink. You can buy these for right at $20, and there will be links in the description below. Next up, I just did a video on this emergency food bar. I'll stick a link to it up in the card above, but I highly recommend you grab emergency food bars because they have a 5-year shelf life. But you don't have to worry about moisture or heat destroying the food. So you can leave these in a hot car. I live in Florida where it gets extremely hot in the vehicles. I leave a couple of these in my vehicle. I have them in my bug out bags, my 72-hour kits. They don't taste disgusting. They're actually pretty decent. So be sure to check out that other video. Highly recommend these. These come in singles and multi-packs, and you can get them for under $20, so check them out. Next up, something that a lot of people don't think about are printed maps. Highly encourage you to have a map of the United States and also of your general area, whether it be your state or county. So you have a printed map available in your bug out bag, your get home bag, because just because you think you know your way around doesn't mean that that route is going to be available to you in an emergency situation. You may need to find an alternate route in order to get to your destination. Cell phones may not be working, laptops may not be working, and so you can't rely on digital maps. You need to have a printed map in your bags and in your kit. You can pick these up for just a few dollars each. Next, emergency radios. I did a video on this particular radio just recently. I highly encourage you to go check it out. This is a great little radio for $16. It has an internal battery. You can charge it by hand. You can charge it by solar. It gets AM, FM plus the weather band, where you can get emergency information from. It's a durable little radio. It's small and compact, so it's easy to fit in your gear bags. Highly encourage it. Links in the description below. And lastly, a multi-tool. Now, multi-tools can be expensive, right? Especially if you're looking at Leatherman and Gerber. Those tools can easily be $30, $40. They can go up to $100 and even more than that. So I went out online looking for a budget-friendly multi-tool, and I found one made by Amazon Basics. I was a little leery to begin with because this tool is only $10. But I went ahead and purchased it and said if anything else I can send it back, right? But it turns out this is actually a really good little tool. Pretty decent durability. This is going to last a little while. It's not going to last you forever like maybe a Gerber or a Leatherman, and it doesn't have the same type of warranty those products will have. But it has a can bottle opener, it's got a little screwdriver, it's got a file, it's got a little mini saw, it's certainly got a nice blade on it. Then of course you can open it up to access some pliers on the end. It's a decent little tool, and if you find yourself wanting some extra tools for various bags that you have, and you don't want to spend $50 each on an expensive Leatherman or a Gerber, then you may want to take a closer look at this Amazon Basics, because again, for about $10, you can afford to get a few of them and leave them across multiple bags or in your vehicle. So hey, I hope you found this video helpful. There will be links in the description below to each of these products, so I encourage you to go down and check them out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. For every thumb up I get, YouTube shares this video with someone else, and that's how this channel grows. And I'm going to go ahead and stick up a couple of videos right here I think you're going to enjoy, so if you click on those, I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.